Hi, this is Brent Baker with Bill Stasek Chevrolet. I'm with stock number 152517, the first offering from Stasek Motorsports. This beautiful truck in Tangier Orange is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine equipped with some pretty fancy accessories and bells and whistles. Let's take a walk around and see what we've got to offer. This two-wheel drive short box regular cab pickup truck is equipped with a rough country lowering kit. That's a 2-inch lower in the front and 4-inch drop in the rear. This truck also comes equipped with 24-inch KMC D2 chrome wheels, plus a custom vinyl rally stripe on the hood, roof, and tailgate to complete the look. If you'd like to know what Stasek Motorsports can do for you, or if you'd like more information on this truck or anything you've seen on the website, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 847-537-7000.